Welcome. This is a demonstration of several movements that our shoulder does. And doing these movements can just help to maintain your shoulder range of motion as well as to help its recovery from an injury. So here we're starting with just bringing the arm up. You'll notice that my hand is facing the floor here. Okay, and then the next one, we're turning the palm up and bringing that up. So when we change the direction of the hand, we change which muscles are engaged. Now the thumb is going to be forward, and we're going to bring the arm behind us and then bring it forward ahead of us and up next to the head. It's very important as you are doing these that remember to stay within your range of comfort. I do not have a shoulder injury right now, so I have my full range of motion. If you're not able to go in all of this space, it's totally okay, right? And you'll notice again, my palm position has changed. So now my palm is facing forward. We're just getting a different muscle engaged when we're doing it with the hand in this position. Okay, we're going to tuck the elbow into the side, palm out, and then the movement is bringing the hand away from your tummy. You'll feel the muscles in the back of your shoulder engaging. Resist lifting your shoulder up towards your ear. Okay, bring the arm up and bend the elbow, and then you're going to bring, like you're riding a bike. Okay, right turn, or actually that's right turn, that's stop. Okay, right turn and stop. And so those movements are specifically for your shoulder. When you're finished, go ahead and shake it out. Thank you.